Semo Pasuma Wonder, Ogala Fuji. I'm here to clear the air about the rumors going all around on every social media, all the social media, that I was chased away at a protest ground in Alausa. I wasn't chased away. The youths are even happy that day that I came. They were happy. They were happy seeing me, that I came to support them. Because they knew I came to support them. I'm in support of what they're asking for. 100% in support of what they're asking for. Because I have kids as well. And I believe it's for the betterment of every one of us if Nigeria is great and better again. Yes. So why won't I support them? Great Nigerian youths, I'm in support of what you are asking for. We're all in this together. We are the giant of Africa before, and I believe we are coming back strong to become the lion of Africa again. So why won't I support? I'm in support of what they're asking for. So I say, end SARS, end police brutality, stop killing our youth. Stop killing Nigerian youth. They are the leaders of tomorrow. And for those of you spreading fake rumors that I was chased away at a protest ground, I say, fair. And one more thing. Federal government and state government of Nigeria, the Nigerian youths are not backing off soon. Until they back bon content they back bowa. We are not backing off. Any láti bon ti a so àti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè báyìí o. Want to go what is or buy anything, but we need new Nigeria. Nigeria needs to be great again. Nigerian youth, I'm in support. I'm with you 100%. We are in this together. May God bless Nigeria. May God bless Nigeria youth. Great, great, great Nigeria youth. Great, great, great Nigeria youth. Thank you so very much.
Police brutality and police extortion. And it's not supposed to be so. Some of us, they fight for food. Not be food we can't chop for a year. Not be drinks we can't chop for a year. I beg. I beg. I beg. Nobody, we don't need anybody make you fight for food. The food there, if you chop and you go shit. By night you go do it, you go shit. So if you go shit food, it means say the food wey we say we need chop na make Nigeria dey waiting dey better, because now forever if you die your children go dey. Make I tell you now one story. You see when I come out today na personal struggle make me come out, because if to say my papa and my mama don't fight, don't do this agitation, we no go dey this place. None of us go do anything dey this place. So because the older generation, the older generation they dey fear. You know what? But you don't fear. You know why? Make I tell you something. You see this generation. This government fucked with the wrong generation. This government they fucked with the wrong generation. This generation will not fear anybody. As today like this, now this generation, Hausa and Igbo they marry each other. They don't send if you be Hausa. I don't send if you be Igbo. I go marry you, provided I like you. This generation, I don't care if you be Christian or you be Muslim. I go do things with you. If you remember that, I don't send, you don't consign me. I will do things with you. Now this generation, we don't care about tribalism again. I talk to you. No be so. This generation, we don't care about religion. You know what the leaders they use? They don't use religion. Say you won't follow that Muslim boy, no follow that Christian boy, no follow that Babalawo boy. But you don't know what life, the suffer, you touch both Christian and both Muslim. So everybody they do it, they suffer together. So this generation will not care about religion. So based on say we don't care about religion, nobody will divide us on that one. This generation will not care about ethnicity. You be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be Hausa, you be Efik, you be Shekiri, you be Ijo, you be anything where you be. We are do what? We are what? Do like this. 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 Say we are one. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one. Let people hear. Say we are one.
One Nigeria.
Yes. One Nigeria. When I say one Nigeria, I say progress. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Now because we come through this progress, now why we come outside. So when I say one Nigeria, I say progress. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. This chairman they vex. What happen now? You vex for Nigeria. My God. One Nigeria now. No vex for Nigeria now. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Do your fingers like this. I can't see you. Raise your fingers in the air. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. One Nigeria.
Valid experience. Valid experience.
Okay. So it's okay. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Una don tire. Say una don tire. Na who go tire? See, una sef don tire. Na who go tire? Na who go tire? Say na you go tire. So wetin we wan talk now be say, you see this my guy over there, he don try encourage us, no be small. So but now as him dey so he get some serious talk wey we get, say wey we gas what? We gas talk. Una know say for the past 2 weeks wey we don dey on top this barricade, you know say we no be talk. Shey we be talk? We be hoodlum? For the 2 weeks wey we don dey this barricade, and where everybody don dey, our protest don dey peaceful. E don dey wetin? E don dey peaceful. Please make everybody dey lis ten because this discussion is very very important. E dey very important. Now later on the government come start to dey do something. They say they no fit attack us with police, abi? They no fit attack us with soldier. Wetin they come dey do be say they come dey sponsor hoodlums, thugs, make they come dey scatter our midst. In fact, na all of those thugs wey dem send, na dem injure some of our protesters wey dey here. Shey no be so? Those thugs, in fact, they injure me sef. Those thugs wey we dey talk about, na dem dey on top. A number of dem dey street dey do anyhow. Anybody wey dey protest, our people wey dey protest, wey dey on top street, our youth wey dey on top street, they no dey obtain anybody. They no dey carry cutlass. They no dey carry this. Na only government talk, na dem dey carry am. Something happen for Benin yesterday, and I want make we learn from am, because I wan link am to wetin government just announced yesterday night. As you say government dey bring talk into our protest, they get plan o. E get what? E get why. E get wetin? Why? E get why. We go give them sense, but them say dey. Yesterday, dem talk say government talk say protesters enter prison for Benin, come break out people. How many of us don go prison before? You don go prison before? Me, I don go prison before. I don go 3 prisons. I no dey shame. I don enter 3 prisons: Kirikiri, Ikoyi, and Ilesha. Yes, if you don't enter prison before, in fact, I don't know yourself now. And a number of us, I tell you the same, even when we go prison, we just say we be criminal. As you will not be criminal. Now say we dey fight for our rights, they want to put us inside prison. People that dey waste prison, they dey inside prison. They dey National Assembly. Na dem be thief. Na dem be snake wey dey swallow money. Shey no be so? Na dem be monkey wey dey chop money. We sabi dem. No be those of us wey dey here. No be us deserve prison. So anybody wey don go prison before, you go know say you no fit stage prison break without the prison official. Shey no be true talk at all? Na true talk. And who dey say make una calm down o? Make una calm down. Who dey control prison official? Na government. Who dey control them? Na government. See I want all of us, make we put this thing for Facebook, make we put this thing for Twitter and Instagram. Wetin happen for Benin yesterday, no be protesters do am. Now what? Now government. Now who? Now government. Now. All of these thugs, when they carry up and down, they get where they go to. They won't seize that excuse, take declare curfew. No, na kulu. They won't take the excuse, declare curfew. So that when they don't declare curfew, they go talk say, hoodlums don't hijack protest, so they don't do anything. They don't burn police station. No, protesters they burn police station though. If we won't burn this, we go don't burn this one though. Shall not be so. Now so, but we not touch anything though. We not do anything. Now police station there allow us. We don't reach there. We never reach there. Now protesters now we there here. We there peaceful. Shall they get them? So what they want to we say so that now let me tell you what they go do for 4 p.m. Me una kulu. Now what they go do for 4 p.m. with this? When 4 p.m. don't knock, then go expect say me all of us, maybe they go our house. So now they won't come out? No. Kulu. Now, Kulu, ain't get where they go. Ain't get where they waiting. Ain't get where they go. See, when you dey battle, when you dey battle some criminals with their power, Kulu, when you dey battle criminals where they occupy the position of power, if you get plan A, maybe you get plan B. If you get plan B, maybe you get plan C. If you get plan C, maybe you get plan D. Now, as all of us don't talk, say we no go come out for here. Then they hear me as I dey talk am, then they hear una. Then get another plan wey dem go use.
They get informants.
Yes. Wetin dem go do be say dem go come bring thug. The thugs dem dey among us as we dey so. Yes. Dem dey among us as we dey talk. Na those thugs, na dem go come dey cause wahala. They come dey cause wetin? Wahala. So if the thugs don start their wahala, they will come bring all the police, say they won't come arrest. They won't come suppress. See, as we don't expose all of their plan, nothing will happen for you. So what I'm going to do be say, see, ordinarily, we get members of defense team where people don't nominate themselves since they come attack us. If you dey here so, if you not say you won't join the defense team, what did the defense team they do? Say any hoodlums we do it. All of us go fight all the hoodlums, but I think get some persons we go dey front, we guys dey front. Shey they get am. So you used to get some people you do am before. So I go come. If you not say you want dey inside that defense team, what you go do? Be say come and meet this my guy here. Where that guy with the white? Where is the guy with hair? Okay, come to that. Just come behind the tent. Don't come behind where? Kulu. Don't come behind this tent. Anybody we want dey part of the defense team, may una come that place. Kulu. So any hoodlums wey come here, we go catch am, we go grab am, we go come. Now we ourselves go hand them over to police. We go hand them over to wetin? We no go kill them They want me we do that kind of thing, but we are not. We not be murderer. We are not waiting. We not be killer. We not be thug. Shey they get am. So I go repeat again. If you want serve for the defense team, may una come back here. After this thing, so wetin we go? So kulu, may una no make noise too much. I beg. Wetin we go do next now? Be say when 4 p.m. don knock, all of us go dey here. Make anybody no go out. So wetin I dey tell you so? Now wetin our brothers for Lekki? Now wetin dem go do be that? You know say our brothers say they dey protest for Lekki. Our brothers dey in Gondo. In fact, there are about 10,000 of them. And then they go as they follow you talk. Sure, they get them. They don't dey there. Our brothers dey there. Then go sit down for there. Nothing go happen. No keke wuke, no kukumos school, no kukumos school. So, and I go tell you, now all of us dey Twitter, now all of us dey Instagram, now all of us dey Facebook. May we not go there. Tell all of our friends, say, make them they come now. See me, I tell you now, we go school and we carry better grade come up for school. And we sabi constitution in there our head. no be military regime we dey. Nobody fit declare decree say we wan impose curfew.
Never.
Now our constitution na dey guide us, and our constitution give us freedom of movement. Yes. Now listen, section 39. May I dey list am? Section 39 give us kulukulu. Section 39 of the constitution wey we dey operate, im give us the freedom of expression. Say we get right to dey talk as we dey talk. We get right to dey protest. Section 40 of that same constitution give us the right to gather like this. It's called, now wetin dey call freedom of association. They call what? Freedom of. So we get right when we gather like this. Nothing go happen. So yes. I hear say some other person wan talk. I go still come back. See, wetin we go dey, not be only dance we go dey dance for here, because no be dance we come dance. We go dey come here one of intermittent day. Maybe I don't want to use too many oyibo. We go try dey come here from time to time. When we come follow ourselves talk. Now so we go talk calm till tomorrow. Till we get it. Now there's some certain things I want us to get. Our demands dey clear. Before we go comot for streets, before we go do wetin, comot for streets, government gats fulfill 5 for 5 demand. The gats implement am, number 1. Abi? Number 2, we go add on top of the demand.
Yes.
Because wetin government do na there dem tear us.
Yes.
Then they kill our people for streets. For today, where you dey watch that video, where dem dey shoot? And they shoot for Oyo, then they kill our people for Oyo. Then they shoot for Abuja. Now